Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize AWS API Gateway with Cognito authorizers, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize AWS API Gateway with Cognito authorizers, first, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon Cognito Service dashboard. Choose the Manage User Pools option. Select the user pool you wish to use for authorization. In the left navigation pane, click on App Clients. Create a new app client if one does not already exist. Make sure to uncheck the Generate Client Secret option for serverless applications. Next, click on the Pool Identities tab in the User Pool settings. Now, navigate to the Domain Name section. Provide a domain prefix for your user pool's hosted UI. Once you've set it, click Save Changes. After configuring your Cognito user pool, open the Amazon API Gateway console. Create a new API or select an existing API from your list. In the left navigation pane, select Authorizers. Click on Create New Authorizer. Give your authorizer a name. Select Cognito as the authorizer type. In the Cognito user pool dropdown, select the user pool you configured earlier. Set the token source to authorization to read the JWT from the authorization header. Now click Create. Navigate to the Resources tab within your API. Select the resource you want to secure via the authorizer. In the Method Request settings, locate the Authorization dropdown. Choose the authorizer you just created. Click on Save. Deploy your API by selecting Actions and then Deploy API. Choose or create a new stage to deploy your changes. Once your deployment is complete, test the authorization. Use tools like Postman to send requests with a valid JWT token from the Cognito user pool. Check the response to ensure it grants access as expected. If you encounter any issues, verify the Cognito user pool settings and the API gateway configurations. This completes your setup for authorizing AWS API Gateway with Cognito authorizers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.